Welcome to Coinpunks, where we cover the top stories in the crypto space, helping you get informed on all things related to digital assets. No frills, no shills. Let's jump into today's stories. Here's our top story. The White House reportedly supports only minor changes to the crypto tax proposal. The crypto community is pushing back against amendments to the crypto provisions of the White House's infrastructure plan, which seeks to raise $28 billion for infrastructure funding through expanded taxation on crypto transactions and impose new reporting requirements for crypto brokers. On August 6th, Senators Mark Warner and Rob Portman proposed a last-minute amendment to the infrastructure deal to exclude proof of mining and sellers of hardware and software wallets from the bill. However, the amendment's wording suggests crypto developers and proof-of-stake validators would still be subject to expanded reporting and taxation that some have described as unworkable. The minimal amendment has received widespread condemnation from the crypto community, with many onlookers emphasizing that proof-of-work networks and software developers will be caught by the new legislation. Ethereum is becoming ultrasound money, Consensus founder says. With $13 billion worth of Ether locked up in Ethereum 2.0 and $70 billion locked up in decentralized finance, we have enormous demand for the Ether token, said Consensus founder Joe Lubin. He also implied that Ether is transitioning to ultrasound money status ahead of the London hard fork that was slated to activate back on 12:30 p.m. last Thursday. Bitcoin maxi Peter McCormack appeared unhappy with Lubin's interview and discussions of ultrasound money, noting on Twitter that, quote, ultrasound money is a disingenuous use of language. It implies that Ethereum is better money than Bitcoin, while directionally centralizing and operating with a flexible monetary policy. Eminem and Paul Rosenberg will inject $30 million into the NFT platform Makersplace. On August 4th, the non-fungible token market platform Makerspace secured $30 million in a Series A financing round. While the Series A was co-led by Pantera Capital and Bessemer Venture Partners, the world-famous hip-hop star Eminem also invested in Makerspace. Makerspace is well known for the world-famous Beeple NFT sale, which sold for a whopping $69 million. The company will also face the two major exchanges Crypto.com and FTX as well. While Crypto.com already launched its NFT market with help from celebrities like Snoop Dogg, FTX recently revealed it partnered with the film, media, marketing, and television giant Dolphin Entertainment. Elon Musk says Tesla owns close to 42,000 Bitcoins worth $1.6 billion. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk has opened up about the electric car company's total Bitcoin holdings. Musk said on Twitter that the technology giant owns close to 42,000 Bitcoin, which is worth more than $1.6 billion at the time of this production. Musk personally owns Bitcoin, and his other famous company, aerospace firm SpaceX, holds Bitcoin on its balance sheet as well. Musk's varying public opinions on Bitcoin are widely believed to have contributed to some of the digital assets' dramatic price swings in 2021. The outspoken CEO has said that Tesla will likely start accepting Bitcoin payments again once the mining process becomes more environmentally friendly. He says a verifiable shift away from coal and toward renewable energy may be underway. Quote, I want to do a little more due diligence to confirm that the percentage of renewable energy usage is most likely at or above 50%, and that there is a trend toward increasing that number. If so, Tesla will resume accepting Bitcoin. Bitwise Asset Management's CIO Matt Hoogan discusses the influence that high-profile personalities like Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and Cathie Wood have on the performance of cryptocurrencies. He spoke with Emily Chang on Bloomberg Technology.
Matt, every time Elon opens his mouth about crypto, it moves. What do you make of his influence over this market and whether or not it is healthy?
Well, look, Elon is an iconic entrepreneur, an iconic leader, and a very smart person specifically about the payments and fintech space. So I think people are smart to listen to what he has to say. He helped play a role in building PayPal. Obviously, he's thought about Bitcoin a lot and he sees its potential for the future. Long term, the story about Bitcoin is more than Elon Musk. Even the impact of these specific comments, I think, are bigger than just him. It shows that he was concerned about environmental issues. He investigated them and he saw that Bitcoin is a net positive for the environment. I think a lot of institutional investors are going to go through the same journey. And so I think it's positive in that light.
What do you think? Do high-profile people affect the value of crypto? Drop your comments below. This wraps up things for today's video. Leave your comments below on today's stories and also drop suggestions for what you'd like coverage on in the near future. And if you like today's show, give it a like and subscribe by smacking that sub button. If you're on the go, you can get the same content in our podcast. Hey, thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.